Good morning students. Welcome back to your SST class and today we will begin the second part of chapter number 6, that is the food we eat. Okay, we have completed up to food in North India. Today we will begin with food in West India. In Rajasthan and Gujarat, fresh vegetables are not available. So a lot of achars are used, that is a lot of pickles are used because in Rajasthan and Gujarat fresh vegetables are not available. Dal bati and churma are traditional dishes in Rajasthan. This is the picture of dal bati churma. Okay, this is the special dish in Rajasthan. Many dishes are eaten in small quantities in a plate called thali meal in Gujarat. In thali meal in Gujarat, many dishes are eaten in small quantities in a plate. In Maharashtra, people eat both rice and wheat. In Mumbai, a wide variety of fish is used to make various dishes. In Goa, mostly seafood is eaten. It has a sweet and sour taste. So, seafood is mostly eaten in Goa and it has a sweet and sour taste. In Maharashtra, people eat both rice and wheat. That is both rice and chapatis. Okay. In Mumbai, a wide variety of fish is used to make various dishes. Now, food in East India. People of West Bengal, Assam, and Odisha eat fish and rice. Okay. People of West Bengal, Assam, and Odisha, they mostly eat fish and rice. Bengalis prepare hilsa fish by wrapping it in a pumpkin leaf and cooking it. Okay. So, Bengalis, they prepare hilsa fish by wrapping the fish in the pumpkin leaf and cooking it. Okay. They use bamboo shoots and mustard oil for cooking. Milk-based sweets such as rasagullas, sandesh, cham-cham, etc. are their favorites. So, the Bengalis or the people they living in the West Bengal, they mostly love milk-based sweets. Okay. So, these are the milk-based sweets. Cham-cham, rasagullas. Okay. So, fish and rice, traditional food. Here you can see various food items, dhokla, pav bhaji, pani puri, seafood. So from these dishes we can know that in India we find various kind of dishes in different parts of India. Now let us move on to food in South India. In South India, people use spices and coconuts. In Tamil Nadu, tamarind is used a lot. In Tamil Nadu, tamarind is used. What is tamarind? You call it imli in Hindi. Okay. The food of Andhra Pradesh like Hyderabadi biryani has chilies and nuts. You can see the picture of Hyderabadi biryani. It has chilies and nuts. In Kerala, delicious dishes like lamb stew, a gravy-based dish, and appam are eaten. You can see the picture. Appam. Okay. These are eaten in Kerala. A dessert called puttu is made from rice and bamboo shoots. So a dessert name is puttu is made from rice and bamboo shoots. Idlis, dosas, badas along with sambar and coconut chutney are popular South Indian dishes. So, where you find these popular dishes, idlis, dosas, badas, you find these in South Indian dishes. Okay, along with sambar and coconut chutney. Here is a quick and healthy snack. Take some sprouted green grams, add finely cut tomato and tomato, onion and cucumber. Add salt, pepper powder and lemon juice to taste. Your healthy snack is ready. So sprouted green grams are very healthy. Okay, so you should try this dish and eat it. Let us move on to the next page. Food on special occasions. Okay, in India a variety of special food is prepared on festivals. On Makar Sankranti, dishes are made out of new rice, new pulses, oil seeds, jaggery. Okay, in Makar Sankranti, you will find dishes of new rice, new pulses, new oil seeds, and jaggery. Pongal is also celebrated around the same time. In the same time, during time of Makar Sankranti, Pongal is also celebrated. Special dishes prepared during Pongal by boiling rice with fresh milk and jaggery in a new clay pot. So they boil rice with fresh milk and jaggery in a new clay pot. So this is the Pongal rice. You can see. Lohri Prasad comprises 5 main items: til, gajak, gur, mumfali and popcorn. This is the Lohri Prasad. You can see gajak. This is gujia. Okay. Til, gajak, wheat flour, laddu, pile chawal, etc. mark the celebration of Baisakhi. So this til gajak, wheat flour, laddu and pile chawal, these are marked as the celebration of Baisakhi. Ram Navami is celebrated with cool drinks and pachadi of cucumber and soaked pulses. Okay, these are the dishes of Ram Navami. Milk, pudding, butter and curd preparation mark the festival of Janmashtami. Okay, in Janmashtami, milk, pudding, butter and curd preparation, they mark the festival of Janmashtami. Modaks filled with coconut and dry fruit fillings are prepared during Ganesh Chaturthi. Okay, as you know, we serve modaks to Bhagwan Ganesha, okay, or God Ganesha. So these modaks are prepared during Ganesh Chaturthi. In Goa, Christmas is celebrated by cooking a special dish called bebinka along with plum cake. Okay, so in Goa, Christmas is celebrated by cooking a special dish that is known as bebinka along with plum cake. You can see the Christmas cake here. You can see thandai and this is sevai. Rava and besan laddus, kesari bhat, kheers and gujia, karanji are popular sweets. Okay, these are the popular sweets. Maharashtra prepared during festival. These are the popular sweets in Maharashtra prepared during festival. During festival in Maharashtra, you will find rava, besan laddus, kesari bhat, kheers, gujia, karanji, etc. Okay. So gujia is also a popular dish of Goa, where it is called Neuros. Okay, gujia is also known as, is a popular dish of Goa. It is known by the name of Neuros. A special sweet sivai is prepared on Eid. On Eid, the Muslims, they prepare a special dish that is known as sivai. Okay, Bihu is celebrated in Assam by making fresh water fish which is steamed in banana leaves or curried as the sword tenga. Okay, so this is the special dish of Assam when they celebrate Bihu. Holi is celebrated with thandai, gujia, kanji and different chaats and sweets. On Durga Puja in Kolkata, people release a variety of egg and meat dishes with rice and sweets like sandesh and rasagulla. So in Kolkata, Also, you will find during the time of Durga Puja, people eating a variety of dishes made of egg and meat, okay, along with the sweets, sandesh and rasagulla. So, here we end our class today. In the next class, we will discuss the question answers. Okay. So, till then, take care. Bye. And thank you, children.